Cryptocurrency exchange. Hi and welcome to this tutorial on cryptocurrency exchanges. A cryptocurrency exchange is a platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade different cryptocurrencies. It's like a stock exchange, but instead of trading stocks, you're trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. To use a cryptocurrency exchange, you'll need to create an account and verify your identity. This is usually done by uploading some form of government-issued identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Once your account is set up and verified, you'll need to deposit funds into it. This is usually done by transferring money from your bank account or by using a credit or debit card. Some exchanges also allow you to deposit cryptocurrencies directly from your wallet. Cryptocurrency exchanges come in different shapes and sizes. Some are designed for professional traders and offer a wide range of advanced trading tools, while others are more beginner-friendly and are aimed at casual investors. To start buying and selling cryptocurrencies, you'll need to place an order. There are two main types of orders: market orders and limit orders. A market order is an order to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at the best available price. This means that your order will be filled immediately, but you may not get the best price. A limit order is an order to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at a specific price or better. This means that your order will only be filled if the price of the cryptocurrency reaches the price you specify. Limit orders allow you to set the maximum price you're willing to pay for a cryptocurrency or the minimum price you're willing to sell it for. Once you've placed your order, it will be added to the exchange's order book. The order book is a list of all the buy and sell orders that are currently being made on the exchange. If your order matches another user's order, the trade will be executed and the cryptocurrency will be transferred to your account. Some exchanges only allow you to trade a few cryptocurrencies, while others have a much larger selection. Be sure to check the list of available cryptocurrencies before signing up for an exchange. Cryptocurrency exchanges charge fees for their services. These fees can be a flat rate or a percentage of the trade value. Be sure to compare the fees of different exchanges before deciding which one to use. Cryptocurrency exchanges are not without risk. There have been instances of exchanges being hacked and users losing their funds. It's important to choose a reputable exchange and take steps to secure your account, such as using two-factor authentication. Cryptocurrency regulations vary from country to country. Some countries have stricter regulations than others, which can affect the availability of certain exchanges and the types of cryptocurrencies that can be traded. Finally, it's important to keep in mind that cryptocurrency prices can be volatile. This means that the value of your cryptocurrencies can go up or down significantly in a short period of time. Be sure to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in explaining the basics of cryptocurrency exchanges. Thanks for watching.